Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace front turn signal light bulb on Volkswagen Jetta Golf 6th generation. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that, guys. Left, right side are identical. We'll actually show you on the right side because there is more room to shoot the video there. Okay, right there. So this is the turn signal bulb underneath the headlight right here, that one. So in order, guys, to remove that one, let me show you what you need to do. Okay, right there, if you go behind the headlight, that's behind the headlight, you need to find that one right there. Okay, do you see that sticking plastic piece out? You need to go and grab that plastic piece and turn it counterclockwise about 30 degrees, okay, like that, and then you can pull it out. Okay, it just comes loose and then you pull it out, and that's guys the light bulb for the turn signal right here. So let me show you now how you guys remove that one. You need to push down and turn counterclockwise, and that's the bulb. Okay, right there. So what you need to do now, you need to grab the new one and you push it in and turn clockwise. Now it goes only one way, like that. And now you need to go again right there. It's pretty limited room, but you need to find the hole right there. And now you need to turn clockwise. Okay, when you're in the slots, you feel it actually. Okay, and you need to turn clockwise about, this one will be about 30 degrees, okay, like that, and that's what it should look like. Okay, and now it's stuck there. So that's the whole procedure, guys, for left, right side. It's identical. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.